guys, welcome to my channel. I have on sweats. I'm getting ready to throw my hair up in a messy ponytail because I am spring cleaning my bedroom. And I know how much you guys love cleaning motivational videos, so I thought that you would enjoy watching and hopefully motivate you to clean your bedroom as well. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you in my family. So click that subscribe button, and if you click on the bell notifications, you will receive an email each time I post. And if you like videos like this, please hit the thumbs up. Let's get busy cleaning.
When I am deep cleaning, I always start at the ceiling and work my way down. Because it's impossible to completely remove my bed from the room, I put an old blanket across the mattress, and that way it can catch any stray dust from the ceiling or from the fan. And it also works very well to put items on as I dust throughout the room. I want to apologize in advance for some of the weird angles. I was experimenting with my tripod as I am still learning to film and to edit, so I wanted to try my tripod in some different positions in this room. So a lot of what you're going to see is just my back. I always take the glass off of my furniture to clean under it when I deep clean. We actually used to have some very nice furniture. And my husband went to Germany for a week, and he came home and the old furniture was gone, and I had replaced it with this furniture from IKEA. But I absolutely love it, and I love the fact that you can put the glass on it to keep it from getting so dusty. I also love the fact that when I grow tired of it, I can replace it and not feel guilty about replacing something that cost a fortune.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with that bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with that bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my
It always seems like when I start out cleaning with my hair up, it goes down eventually, and if I start cleaning with my hair down, I always end up pulling it up. But also I got hot in the hoodie that I had on, so I had to change shirts as well. But it is still the same day. I've actually not left this room yet. I'm still cleaning away, and I'm just trying to capture the things that I cleaned and condense it as much as possible.
Drown me
When I am deep cleaning, I love having my rainbow vacuum. It's probably the only time I love it, but it just does so much. It helps with the ceilings. I can clean the curtains, the blinds, windows, just pretty much everything in the room, baseboards. So that is the one time that I absolutely love my rainbow. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what the water looked like. It was absolutely disgusting. So now I am just cleaning the headboard of my bed, which I usually do when I change the sheets, and then I am going to put fresh bedding back on. And for some reason, I don't know why, and maybe this happens to you guys too, when I have washed my bedding, I have the hardest time getting it back on correctly. It usually takes a couple of days for me to figure out exactly how it went, so it's not made up perfectly.
And that I'm overthinking everything about you. And that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. Should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you act, and how you move, it kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, 'cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah. my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. Maybe I could be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So this is what my water looks like, and I keep the room very well dusted, so it's pretty disgusting. But here's what my finished room looks like, and thank you so much for watching, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one.